How to buy and sell on Dexscreener. Now, this process or method is very easy. But before you can go in and trade, is you need a few things. So, for example, you need at least a working wallet directly from your extension or from the mobile apps. Say, for example, MetaMask, Phantom, or Software or OKX. So make sure that all those wallets is already installed on your browser extension and from your mobile app. Now, cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover the cost as well, the token that you want to buy and associated with the network fees. For example, Ethereum, Solana for Sol, or many more crypto coins from here. Now, open up Dex Screener, and then at your left portion, you should be able to see coins. So, say for example, we're going into, let's see, BSC. Click that, and you'll be landed on this page right here, which will provide you a lot of options. So, say for example, we choose on 1111, just simply click that. And then at your right side, below watch list, you should be able to see buy and sell. Now, buying and selling is very easy. Once you click on buy, you will now then be asked to connect the crypto that you would like to buy into your wallet. But once you click that, all of the wallet that you have on your extension will show here. But you need to activate it first, or simply just open the current wallet that is added to your extension, so it will automatically be visible here. Same goes on selling. Just click on sell and choose on connect wallet. That's it. That's how you buy and sell in Dex Screener.